What up? What up? All right. Hope everyone's having a good weekend. First off, I'm gonna apologize about Thursday. I didn't do no Zoom. That market got to me, honestly. I couldn't do no Zoom. Um, I had to take a mental break. And Friday, I felt a lot better. Plays was going way better than Thursday. So this is the day that frustration kicked in, and I just was out of it. Turn off the turned off my Zoom, let the team rock, but I was gone. It was not my day. So as you can see, what happened Thursday, that was a big drop, big drop. We even went below the 21 on both Hughes and SPY. So I didn't expect to go below the 21. So when we flushed so hard off the speakers, I was kind of mind blown because I didn't know those guys were going to impact the market like that. But look at what happened Friday. SPY went all the way to 513 basically, and then went right back to 520 on Friday. So what does that tell you? To me, that tells me those those Fed speakers didn't do anything to the market. I mean, Bears came in, but the Bulls came right back. So in my opinion, if the Bears were still in strong, we would have never went back to 520. We would have saw like 508 on Friday, and clearly we had an inside day on both. The Qs and SPY was a green inside day. Now we got some bullish trend still active. The bullish trend is still active. Like you guys can see, if I draw the trend line from all the way down here, all the way up, still trying to follow the trend to go higher. So, my opinion, we should go higher as long as we hold above 516.50, in my opinion, around there, 516.30 or so, which is right above the 21. So we hold there, we should go right back up. I mean, we look good on MACD in our side too. So we had the bears in for a while on the MACD, and now we got a 10 change. So there's a potential upside maybe to test. We might test 522 before we reject back down. So those would be my pivot areas to watch, in my opinion. So supply around 522. Demand around 516.30, I'll say, right? Let me see, what's this? Yeah, 516.30 or 20. So we're looking at the bottom of this area, basically. And it might not go that low. It might just bounce off resistance area around here because we ripped that resistance area. Like the wick happened all the way up here. So that's what I'm saying. We could definitely go to 522 because there was a lot of buyers on Friday. We gapped up slightly too, pre-market. There was a small gap up. So the bulls were in on Friday. So like I say, a lot of things went downhill Thursday and just went right back up. And for example, if you guys look at Caterpillar, it yeah, it took a dump on Thursday, but right back up on Friday. It's almost at all-time highs. So just can't be a full bear, basically, I'm saying. So I'm not bearish. Same thing on these indicators on the Qs. They both looking like they want to stick up. Same action, like I told you guys, inside day on the Qs. Nothing really different. I would wait for longs above, what's this right here? 443.60. 443.60. I will watch for upside on the Qs. And for downside, I would watch lower Friday. So lower Friday candle was what, 436.50. So I'd watch that for the shorts. If it goes down there, we could go at least to the Bollinger Band, which is right on that EMA. So they're kind of colliding together. So I don't expect it to go lower than that because there is data this week, which I am going to speak on right after the Qs and SPY. So if it goes there, that's what? Supply here, right? Here as well, here as well. Resistance or support here. So it's a good chance that if it does go down there, it's gonna bounce around that area. So I'd rather play the bounce. I'd rather not chase puts because this is not telling me we diving yet. It looks like we're ready to recover. All right, let me pull up some economic data that we have in this week. I got you right now. Hold on. Hold the Okay, so let's see what's this. All right. All right. So got everything. All right. So we don't got auctions, consumer inflation expectations at 11. Okay. 3-month bill auction. So we got some action around 11. Not really too much turbulence. Consumer confidence at 1 in the morning. Business optimism index at 6. Red book. I don't know how's that gonna hit. We got economic optimism. Bill auction again, no. So Monday and Tuesday don't look too API crude oil. That's gonna affect oil, of course. Monday, Tuesday don't look too crazy in my opinion. 30 mortgage rate, application mortgage, purchase index, building inflation. All right, Wednesday is when we're gonna rock. So Monday, Tuesday, maybe a little. I don't know how those things are gonna. I don't think it's gonna hit the market, those two things, but Wednesday is when we're gonna get some action on the real upside or downside, depending if these numbers come hot or cold. But the important data looks like it's coming in Wednesday, in my opinion. And maybe for the rest of the week, we might get stuff on Thursday. Let's check out Thursday. Positive review. Yeah, PPI Thursday. Okay, core PPI. So yeah, it looks like Thursday to Friday, I'm guessing we're gonna get some hits. Yeah. So Thursday, so sorry, from Wednesday to Friday, I think that's when we need to be cautious of data. They should give us regular price action from Monday to Tuesday, in my opinion, but let's see what happens. So, in my opinion, we gotta look out for Wednesday on. So, not bad. So, we should get some regular movement tomorrow. Talk about chips real quick, and then we get to the 7. Chips look good, in my opinion. Yep, this is coming off of demand. This is major demand on NVIDIA. So NVIDIA rips the top off of 950 cents. Let me see. Not even 950 cents. I apologize. It has to rip, I'll say 903. 903? Yeah, 903 is a good entry on NVIDIA. So I'll put 902.70 because we know how fast the price action can move. So 30 cents before 903. Looks bullish. AMD, same thing. Super demand area, right? If I draw this a little rectangle right here, it'll definitely intersect over here. So we got a lot of buyers coming in on this price level. So this 170 area, I will watch longs around right above 173.65. Because AMD was going on an uptrend until excuse me, until freaking Thursday, guys. The freaking speakers came on. It really just demolished the market entirely, in my opinion. Everything just got sold off because look, it was obviously just going up until Thursday got swiped down. But this was a higher low it was making, and I felt like that higher low was gonna bring it higher. But it is what it is, right? Part of the game. These guys can manipulate the market. But we look good. The only thing is that there's no tint on this one. There's still dark red. So be cautious on AMD. NVIDIA confirms the tint. So NVIDIA, of course, is like the godfather of the chip. So, that one's probably just ahead of AMD. But daily wise, technically speaking, on the daily charts, they both look good because they both coming off a big demand area. So in my opinion, yeah, we should try to bounce up off of this demand. Talks about Apple, talk about Microsoft. Apple Doji candle on the daily, but it is rejecting the nine. The nine is the bully, no doubt about it, right? The reason I'm saying that is because look, this is the day that it last was above the nine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row, it cannot reclaim it. So you gotta wait until it gets back above there comfortably. You gotta get above that nine. So 171.15, I think it's good to try the long. RSI looks good. This is higher low, double bottom. That's what I see. And Mac got a dark tint happening. So Mac looks good too. So Apple looks good. Microsoft looks good to go up. Microsoft very strong. Wow, yeah. Microsoft strong. This is what I'm saying. The market still looks bullish. Microsoft, yo, once Microsoft gets right back to 428.75, it's gonna be a problem, I think. I think she's gonna go to at least 440. At least 440. Let me see the top of this candle. What's this price level? 430. The top of the Bollinger Bands, 430. Yeah, I'm over exaggerating. 435, not 440. At least 435, then see what happens. But everything looks good. Here and here looks good. So I like Microsoft better than, oh, that was the wrong ticker. I like Microsoft better than Apple if I had to pick one. The hell? Can't type Google now? Go Google Meta. No, Meta.
Yo, G, Google call flow came in this week. I think like 900,000 and the 157.5 weekly expirations.
Copy. Thank you, bro. Okay. Meta so bullish, bro. I don't even want to talk about Meta. She's gonna go crazy this week. Google reclaiming the nine, right? It has like a, yeah, it held above the nine. Yeah, Google looks good. Can't believe Google did this run up on us, bro. We talk about it since here. Could have held this for like 3 weeks. So. You got two choices. You either wait till you cross at least here to watch for calls, the 154.40 area, or you just wait for this one to hit this 156. So it's about almost a $2 difference between that entry. Now, I think you're rolling the dice if you get in before this level because it could reject. This is supply area. These three candles, look at what happened with these three candles. They rejected, obviously. They didn't hold it, and it went back down. So I would just wait till we clear the space of this level to go higher. See, just told you guys there's call flow going in. So if that hits the tape hard, then it should go to at least 160. So this level should crack, basically, is what I'm trying to tell you guys in better words. So bullish on Google. RSI looks good. MACD, very extended. It's not close to each other, so there shouldn't be no big drop yet. This is smaller. So as long as we stay away from a crossover with these lines, we should be fine. Now Meta is cleaner. It's already gone, if you ask me. I think Meta's probably gonna have another crazy ER coming soon. This thing is, damn, everything's strong on Meta. So I will wait for a bounce entry though. I don't think they're gonna give you the straight continuation. So I will put it right around here. But super strong, Meta strong. So Meta and Microsoft, man, they good. They're good to go. Netflix, the Buzzington. All right. Amazon. Netflix breaking the macro, bro. Nice. Move this alert. We ain't bearish no more. Okay. Let me give myself at least like a 30-cent rip, right? What's this? 638. Might as well put 639, yeah. I'll do 639. Let's do 15. Yeah, Netflix looks like it's gonna go higher, guys. It's been a crazy run. Yeah, nice bounce right here off the 21. These candles set the way for this upside. It was these three candles that set it. Even Thursday didn't even go below it. So that was good. So I'm saying that drop on Thursday was totally BS. And I'm mad it got me so mad because look, everything's just ripping back up. So yeah, watch that break for Netflix. Amazon almost the same as Netflix, except that yeah, except that Netflix, I'm sorry, that Amazon already broke. Like Netflix, you see is tuggling around here. Like it needs to break this in order for me to say, all right, we broke levels, we're going higher. This already broke levels because of the wick. It just pulled back a little. But yeah, Amazon is ahead of Netflix in my opinion, and it's gonna go higher. Damn, where the hell you pop this one into? So we pull back. So 50% retracement of Friday's candle. It's almost at the close of Thursday's BS sell-off. So let's yeah, let's put it around the close of the candle to see if we can get a bounce move around there. I'm missing one. I feel like I'm missing one. Missing Amazon, Netflix, Google. I don't know if I'm missing one. Damn. I don't know if anybody's long on this, but oof. It's not looking good for Bulls on Tesla game. Not looking good. Number one, that daily candle is almost overlapping 3 days of action. The only thing is Thursday didn't do it, but it definitely overlapped Wednesday and Tuesday. The volume on the daily is not very high, but obviously one of the highest ones during the week. And unfortunately, it was a bear volume. And look at this. It's looking very heavy. This looks too heavy. Look, it's ready to slice down. So I'm gonna be a bear on Tesla, unfortunately. I can be bullish. It's not giving me any bullish vibes like the other ones. I would watch 160, plain and simple. 160 on Netflix, loses 160, it's gonna go to like 155. Let me see how far this is. I just want to go out of curiosity, gang. Hold on. Yeah, right here is a low area on Tesla. Hold on.
Hey Cam,
Yep.
it's up. There was some after hours news about I think it's a Uber or not Uber, sorry, like some kind of driver thing, like taxi,
Tesla robo taxi news.
robo taxi news. So
Oh,
right now it's up $5. It's printing 169.85.
Yeah, I went to 171 on Friday. Like after hours.
Yeah, after hours I had a massive spike.
let's see if it
Trying
holds.
to, yeah, it's trying to hold that 170 level right now.
Thank you, bro.
Let's see if it holds. Let's see if the news is real. All right. So there's news on Tesla. What the fuck? Hold on, yo. Why doesn't my line? See what happens when I skip Zoom on one day, bro? Right, there we go. All right. So you said 169 after hours? Where's it at?
Yeah, I think is it hit like 171. It's trying to hold that one right now in that stupid overnight stuff for Robinhood. It says 169.85.
So it's right at the top of the wick area. All right. All right. So I'm gonna put two alerts for y'all. I'll put 172 to try to see if it's really gonna go. And you got short side. Short side. All right, so we got both sides on Netflix. I mean Netflix, sorry, Tesla. Oh, they got Robo Taxi News. All right, see how that works. I think that's it for the 7, yeah. If I miss one, y'all can tell me later after I'm done with the Zoom. All right, let me get to it. Say first on the list is gonna be Arm. Arm. I haven't played Arm in a minute. Oh, I want also I apologize on freaking Friday. I thought Unity was gonna do the abandoned baby, but Unity, I apologize. J&J was gonna do the abandoned baby setup, but it's slightly did it. Unity has the abandoned baby setup. Not me to correct me if I'm wrong, but this looks like the abandoned baby setup compared to J&J. So my bad on that. I'm still in the play, but it definitely didn't do the abandoned baby setup. It's still within the Bollinger Band. So
Yeah.
we got Arm. Arm looks good. This chip related, right? Yeah. So we're gonna wait until we get a 21 and 8 cross. But this is the man, as you guys can see. Buyers definitely like to come here. So be patient and wait for 128, like 30, I'll say. Yeah, 30 cents is fine. This ticker has a strong ATR. All right, so Unity. So this is what I was looking on J&J and we didn't get it. So we still got a green candle extended low. Like, so let's see if that still works. But this is what I was looking for. I'm gonna wait till we cross above my volume profile line. You could try to get in before, but just be prepared for some friction around that area of $26. So if you do get in around 25.70, that 30-cent move might reject just because the 9 is there. And you see the 9 got rejected a few times. I'm gonna put the alert right above the 9 though. That's where I really want y'all to enter, if anything. Because then you got space to go to the 21 possibly. All right, but this looks like a double bottom happening, kind of. As long as it stays here in this price range, we're good. If it goes lower, then yeah, it's gonna dump. It's gonna probably lose it. But let's see if that setup works. I like AI. AI been getting sold bad, so might get a recovery soon. This one looked interesting. So is that like a yearly? Yeah, it's at a yearly demand area. Like this is where it gets very bouncy in my opinion. So this honestly looks like a swing opportunity if you ask me. We've been having so much down action and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Damn, this joint had 8 to 9 red days straight before, before Friday's finally green day. So might be time to jump in. Might be time. Like I said, it looks like a swing. I'm my way around here. The Mac and RSI look good to go up to. So go watch AI. You can watch other AI related names if y'all want. Should follow. Usually when AI rips, every other AI name goes. So this one actually, I've been having it on my watch, but I never played it. It would be the first time that I actually dissect it. But it looks strong. It's about to break macro over here, so there's a lot of space on the Bollinger Band, and we all know this looks good and this looks good. So we got day 1 looking for day 2. I'm gonna just wait till we crack above. Yeah, I'm gonna just wait. It don't look like we're gonna get a pullback off of the size of that daily candle. And that could be day 1, so day 2 could be just as strong. I'm gonna do 10 cents mark on 130 to watch it. We have XPO, this is tech related. So tech name's been doing good, right? So I like this one. I like net. I like Octa. Net is bouncing off the 50, guys. Look at that candle wick off the 50. So that's good. Everything looks good. We all look good here. This a little bit dark red, but nope, it's 10. Never mind. All right, we look good. Yeah, I would wait till we get a crack around here for some action on the 99s, or you could even do 100 calls. This definitely should go to 99, right? Let me see. Yeah, yeah, we should definitely see 99, I think, on that. But that looks good. We holding that 50 nicely, not bad. Octa, downsiding. Yeah, it's been on a downside trend for a while, in my opinion, since up here. Try to pop up here, but no, still a downtrend. When you see these rejections going lower, that's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. It's a downtrend. Now it's starting to show some light, but you have to wait till we get above the 21 and 9 to confirm, because it could easily reject from the underside of those EMAs. So just be cautious of that, please. But I like the reverse action might be happening now. Might be. I don't want it to fill this gap down area to the downside, so I'm trying to see if it's gonna be a false gap down fill, basically. Right, it could just bounce from here. Bottle just getting tight too. It's not giving a lot of space, so maybe it could just bounce. Hopefully it does. Net is stronger in my opinion, though. Cloud flare. Okay, I think that's it for tech. No, I got two more. I got Dell. And I got Sony. I haven't played Sony in a minute either. Dell, beautiful cup and handle on Dell, guys. Should be able to. This is gap up, and then it's like U shape right here, a little cup fill. Yes. Oh, sorry. Freaking pressing it. Yep, flagging on the other side. I'll put my alert here, y'all. Dell look fire, in my opinion. Looks like a strong momentum trade. Sony, Okay, try to put in that Green Day at the main, not a main, but a supply area, I mean demand area. So this demand, Sony, let's see how this works out. I don't think I'm gonna put Sony on our watch list team. I don't know why, it just looks too heavy for me to even try it. I don't want to FOMO. I'm gonna just, I would only enter this if it got a crack here. Because it could reject right there and go right back to right here. Yeah, it has to. I don't know. Maybe we get a pre-market move that'll boost it to 86, but it needs to get comfortable around 86.35 for Sony to try to reverse. Sony has also been a crazy downtrend for the past, I'll say almost week and a half here. Right here, once it got this rejection of what's this? That should be the 50. It rejected so hard and it never recovered off of that rejection for like, oh, still hasn't recovered if you ask me. Because still a downtrend, rejection here lower, rejection here lower. So those are reject areas. That's basically lower than the previous. So it's still a downtrend heavy on Sony. So just be careful. Just don't try to jump in before that alert hits. You got DoorDash. I think DoorDash looks good on the charts. Got Monster drink. Yeah, DoorDash looks good, yeah. So DoorDash fire up trend is still. It looks like the 21. It's ever since what's this early February? Not even back more. I would say late January. It has not lost the 9, which is that goldish orange line. Keeps bouncing one over here, repeat over here. So multiple bounces usually means it's gonna happen. And look, we look bullish on all time. I mean, all indicators. So I'm gonna probably watch it right above the Bollinger Band, see if the alert hits. Maybe those 145 calls look good. Monster, oh my God, I never seen a bloodier chart in my life. What the we got 12 days and only one doji was green. Everything else straight murder, like bloodbath.
Deadly.
All right, but it makes sense where it's creating this doji on it. It makes perfect sense, right? Look, this is where they like to come in, these mother effers right here. So we got 10 change. We got the curl on the RSI. It was reaching oversold area already, but it finally bounced right on the green line. So this should be an easy entry, and not for nothing, this might be a swing too, because look at all the red days it put in. Why wouldn't you want to like risk it for a swing, right? You'd be like, I could get 2 green days, you could print if you get in good. Um, I'm gonna wait till it gets comfortable. So I feel like it has to be. Yeah, I like this. It's above these candles, and it's above the almost the break of this area, because we gotta break this area in order to make this play like printable. Because as you can see, that day it was a to me it was a chop. Usually dojis happen off of a chop, so we gotta break that chop on Friday to go higher. And if that breaks, we should definitely go at least to 57 without a problem. But yeah, this is my opinion. Swing so red that why wouldn't you want to swing it? What we got? Oh, we spoke about this one. Next, Coca-Cola. See why Coca-Cola looks interesting to you guys. You got Las Vegas. Oh, okay. I see you, Coke. Okay. I see the nice green candle off of this demand area. Almost the same candle this day. It's almost duplicate. That's crazy. It's crazy because all these green candles dip under this freaking 200. It literally dips up under the 200, which is the blue, and goes right back. Like this one green dipped, this one dipped, this one kind of. It just obviously the whole body of the candle is under though. That's why you got to be cautious. You don't want it caught, and then just flushes more. So look good. This don't look friendly. Yeah, this don't look friendly. Only thing that looks good is really the daily and the RSI. Because it could be building a flag to go down, bear flag, of course. Um, I don't like how that the close of the candle is right on that joint. I'll watch Coke higher. It gotta be higher than Friday. Anyway, I could see Coke reversing. Let's do 80 cents a month. Just to avoid that bear flag, in my opinion, because if the bear flag's gonna happen, it shouldn't even go up here, in my opinion. It's just gonna straight continue from the close of the candle downside. All right. Don't really like Coke that much, to be honest, but we'll watch it. LVS, we got we got a D and B set up. This is the B's, and then this is a double bottom, higher pivot. It's almost like a head and shoulder type of situation. If you want to combine this double bottom as one head, and then there's the shoulder. This could be the other shoulder. The Bollinger's is opening too, so that's good. We look good here too. Discombobulated pivot, but it's doing it, and the Mac looks good. Yeah, this is strong. We should be able to test these. What level is this? Hold on. What just happened? Oh, let me see what level is this. 60. Whoa, what was that? Y'all saw that? How did my VP line just move like that? That's weird. After hours, maybe. Yeah, I will wait till Las Vegas gets here. 53.94. 95, it really don't matter. 95 for the longs. As long as we hold the 9, because obviously the last week for all the week it was above the 9, right? Let me make sure. Yeah, in 5 days it stood above my green line. So as long as we stay like that, it should keep going up. We can't dip under, and it didn't dip under at all last week, so that's a good thing. Gotta watch where these EMAs are reacting to these daily candles. GE, I'm only gonna talk about it because maybe it could continue tomorrow, but GE was crazy on Friday. I'm mad we missed it. I got pushed away because the shit didn't have ODTEs. I should have said F it. Get the longs anyways. They went like 200%. I'm looking for a retracement. It has 3 green candles already. Well, I think 152 is a good area. It hit like 155, almost 156 on Friday. Everything looks good. MAC, RSI, nothing looks weak. All right, and it just crossed on Friday, the RSI, and we just got a green flicker. So usually it goes higher once you start the first green trend on the MACD. So we might get one more move up on that. FOMO though on that one, big time. GE, eBay. Para A, Class A, Para Class A, because Para Class B looks totally different. Let me make sure this, yeah, this is the one I want to talk about. The one almost at the macro levels. So eBay, let's talk about first. Yeah, eBay looks like it wants to hold the 9s. I mean, half of it is still stuck under the 9 on the daily, but it looks like it does want to hold the 9. I feel like we should put it around here. Let's bring the alert down a little. 54.40, right? 52.40, I apologize. 52.40. I think it's better to watch because I believe it's gonna rip higher. Because Amazon went crazy on Friday. This is kind of in the same sector, so it could be low key lagging and just waiting to basically rip tomorrow. But we look good on everything here. Like I said, it looks like it wants to hold the 9 because this was a lower pivot. This was a higher low from that one, and here is a higher low from that one. So it's slowly making a higher low. So usually when that happens, stock goes higher. All right, so this one, I'm gonna put an alert right here on Para Class A. That's the one you're gonna want to find because you might get confused. They got 2. So the other one looks garbage. This one looks good. So I don't know if they're supposed to move together, but this one looks good. And Netflix looks like it's gonna rip the roof. Disney was ripping on Friday already. Um, any other like streamer names? Disney or no, not really. So I'm thinking maybe that's why Power looks so strong because Disney was ripping. Netflix has a nice bullish setup, so might be a little sympathy on the side. What's this? Hey,
I mean, and I played news on Para too, I think on a buyout.
Oh, there you go. Thank you, bro.
Mhm.
Yeah, so Paymentus Holdings. Nice little green candle. Oh, wow. Off of a nice bloody trend. Almost a week and a half or so. Now it makes sense for this candle to appear here. Why? Because there's a resistance over here. So we got some resistance turning support, hopefully, right? I'm gonna put it around here. I want some super, super strong bulls to show up for me to be positive for some upside here. Um, yeah, that clears the space here, clears that one, base of this candle, and the base of this candle too. So only thing it has to do is break the roof off this. Again, what's this level? 2140? So you gotta break like 2145 after the alert hits for it to go higher. Now firm, double bottom obviously, but a firm is up after hours. I just want to make sure it's still up though. Let me see. 32.90. I actually went to 33.47 and sold off. So 33.47 is basically around here. So basically, I want to get back above that. Let's see if this bounce off the 200, not exactly the 200, but obviously it didn't get close to 200. Let's see if it could stay away from the 200 and try to go up. See if you could see. So after hours, I mean, obviously it dropped now, but when it closed the market on Friday, it ripped up to this level. So I want to see if we can get back there. I think it should go higher if it goes back there, in my opinion. Firm looks good. What else? Wells Fargo's looks, I think I mean, it looked good on the line chart. Yeah, Wells Fargo looked like it's ready to squeeze. Something's gonna happen here. Something's gonna happen. The 9 is the bounce level now from Wednesday the 27th. This should be an easy, calm entry until it breaks basically that big ass supply area. It has around 58.15. Should go higher if you ask me on Wells Fargo's. Nothing weak about it. And they got earnings Friday. So let's see what happens with these banks. Are they gonna continue to go up or what? People probably gonna be bearish on it because it's been ripping so hard. AMAT looks like another good setup. Kind of in the chip space, if you ask me. Yeah, it's holding the 9. I mean, sorry, it's holding the 21. On that sell-off Thursday, what happened? It barely went under. Then Friday, it reclaimed it with strength and went higher. So it's a higher low from here too, right? So this is kind of inverse head and shoulder, right? This I'll call the head right here, right? And then the shoulder will probably be right here. And hopefully this is the second side of the shoulder because we look good on everything. This looks good and the Mac looks good. So we got AMAT went to 210 almost on Friday, right? Then we got 211, almost 212 area to show some break. Then it could go all the way to 214. So 210 to 211. I don't know if that's good R to R, about $1 move. I'm gonna put it around here. Right up, right almost, not even almost, it's right at the Bollinger Bank. Put 55 cent mark, 211. So AMAT there, bullish. This could be a strong one to the upside too. Next, GSK. This is health related now. Almost done, yeah. Almost done. GSK. 4170. Wow, look at the volume on GSK. That's a volume bar. So you saying you're at 41.70 after hours? Yeah, around here, huh? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna wait till you crack it. All right. All right. So we're gonna wait to 41.90 cracks on this potential reversal happening. Um, yeah, it bounced off of the head of these candles right here and ripped up. It's trying to not go. It already went in this gap fill, low side entry, but it looks like it wants to get out. Like it just kissed it, now it wants to go back up, especially with that candle. They have some type of news this day too. Behind markets, so facts worth knowing. You know, influencer. Oh, okay, they got influencer bags. No, that has nothing to do with them unless they're providing the needle and all that. Maybe, but we're not gonna negate this. And this is what, isn't this this is kind of abandoned babyish, right? The Bollinger Band is here and it went outside, or the whole body gotta be under the Bollinger Band. I don't know. But it's kind of halfway there. I like it. I'm gonna watch it. I think we could get a nice second day out of it after basically falling for 4 days and finally putting a strong green day. So watch this one long. I think Lily looks good too, but stay away from big names this week. I'm gonna put it for y'all, but I'm probably not gonna touch Lily. Okay. But Lily looks ready, I'm not gonna lie. That's why I still want to talk about it with y'all. Yeah, once it breaks this area price, it's over. I think it's gonna be over. 795, then 800. So yeah, so if it cracks 795, not even. I'm gonna say 793. Yeah, I'm gonna watch around seven. Well, not me. I'm gonna put an alert around 793, right? That could push it to 795. If 795 cracks, then I don't see why we're not gonna go to 800. That is the price target on this ticker too. So, and we look good everywhere. We look good there. We look good on Mac. Nice hold above the 21. That's a bullish engulfing almost, if you ask me. So yeah, you want to spend big bucks? Catch Lily if that alert goes off. Okay. Abbott looks good. Double bottom on Abbott, guys. Double bottom right here. So I'm gonna put my alert on the 9 EMA. So we're gonna wait till 1195 cracks. 111.95 to go higher. We look good here. Yeah, crisscross. So we look good on both. ER's one next week. April. Yeah, next week. 17. Dexicom, GSK, Bentley. That's it. Oh shit. That's it, gang. Thought I had more. I was alive, if you ask me. That's it, gang. Y'all got any names?
While you're on healthcare, broski, yeah. What do you think about J&J and Teva and BMY?
I'm in J&J. That was the one that I thought
Oh,
it was
snap.
a abandoned baby setup, but it didn't form exactly. Because when I was watching it was like right here. And I thought it was gonna go under, but I'm long, bro. I'm long on J&J. We got two red days, two heavy red days at that, followed by this green day, morning star potential. So
All right, bet.
we get a morning star, bro. We're good. And I don't think we're gonna go lower than this, bro, because from what if the volume profile line is valid and telling me the truth, look, they don't even like it at this level, bro. They like J&J around here where you see these high levels.
What
So
calls do you have? What strikes?
I got, let me check. I think I got one. I got one. It might be 155, bro. Let me double check. Yep. Yep, and I'm only down freaking like 15%.
All right,
That's
fire.
not bad. So hopefully we open up five. But I got 155s. I'm trying to catch the morning star basically, Brody. What's the other one you asked? My bad.
Nah, you good, BMY.
Bristol Myers. Got you. Bristol. Yeah, very similar. Almost morning star. This one just has more red days, which, you should get in a second green day here because this is the demand bounce right here. It's right, kind of linking up together. The only thing that looks, this is not really curving up too strong. Let me see. This is nose diving increase MAC. Uh, damn, bro. The only thing that these don't look too promising, but J&J is almost similar, right? Yeah, it's almost similar. Yeah, they very. You was either trying to get in before the crack of what, 51, what's this? 51.70? Because I think you should wait until we crack that to try to get in. So 51.90 around there, bro. I don't know if that's the level you was looking at. I'm trying to get in on the top of these candles right here, basically, because from what I see is the top of these candles where they close at, obviously, the wick is still crazy. Like there's still price action that rips on the top of these candles. So that's why I want to wait till we get at least here to see if that's gonna happen again. And if it does, it's gonna break the 9 and the 21 together because you see my cursor is above the 9 and 21, and that's the wick area of these candles. So I don't know if I'll get in before the crack of my purple EMA, bro, because it could get smacked down. You understand? It could act like a wall and get ripped. So I'll wait until 51.90, 94, my bad, 95, 95. You don't even gotta wait 94. 95, that would be my entry on BMY, in my opinion, bro.
Thanks a lot, bro, for the thorough
Yeah,
analysis.
yeah, man.
And I know oil has been catching a bit like crazy. Velo,
Yeah.
all.
Yeah, watch. I was gonna talk about oil, but I'm like, damn, they're so extended. I was
It
gonna
is.
gold too, super extended gold. Shit's crazy. I was looking at the chart. So we gotta really. I'd rather wait till those play out and let the chart speak to me. Like, let me see if it's making levels, building pivots on the high area, because it's gonna be hard to. Let's talk about one real quick. Velo could be one, I guess. Let's see.
Tom is prettier, but Velo for sure. It just seems like Velo's never gonna stop.
Yeah. But Velo does pull back a little bit to the 9, as you can see. Look over
Mhm.
here. It just doesn't get comfortable. It's like liquidity grab. Look right here, liquidity grab right on, liquidity grab right on, liquidity. So
Oh,
it's probably gonna do that. Velo's probably gonna come to like 179 or some shit, and
yeah.
then get like kiss like 160. I'm sorry, 176.80 or something. Get grabbed again and just rip up again. So. I would watch if you really want to catch it. Oh, look, I got an alert on this level. I'll just make sure it hits the Discord. So I'll wait. I will play the bounce. Since you're bullish on oil, I would just wait for the bounce. And like, yo, obviously this shit keeps bouncing off the 9. So let me wait till it gets to the 9 and try to get in on a liquidity bounce like the dailies are showing here. You feel me? I
Mm-hmm.
can't be a buyer like, oh, let me get in the velo up here. I'm like, nah, I can't. It'll be crazy for me. And bro, yeah, in the other side, bro. This is crazy, bro. Crazy.
Thanks, bro. Yeah, you're right.
Fucking insanity. It looks like it's about to fly out here, bro.
Nope.
You would think this is the limit right here. No, this ain't no limits. We're going out the limit right now.
Yeah,
Velo be V high.
Velo and Zom, right? Let me see Zom, bro. Let's see if Zom RSI is just as crazy.
Jeez.
Yo, Ken, what you think
Oh
about
my
Piton, bro?
God, bro. This is even worse. This one doesn't even have a green indicator wave on it. This joint Man, oh wow, bro. This one, I would treat it the same though. This one, my bounce will be around here, bro. The liquidity bounce, because it's kind of look right here, over here, bounce. It's just straight staircase, crazy. Piton,
Yeah, man, it's I've been going through some bad news and about like delayed on payments. It could indicate something far worse. So I
oh
don't
my,
know, bro.
it looks
Want to
like
get
it's
your
going
opinion?
on the highway. This looks
Bankrupt.
heavy, bro. Oh my God.
Contracts, it's losing parts, it's losing
Oh
distributors,
my God. Should we short this shit for earnings, guys?
lost its front
To
door.
zero.
Short this shit to zero. It's fuck. What
It's
you
going,
mean, bro?
going bankrupt.
Yo, this is a put all the way. Clap, clap. So if I were you, bro, let me see. Hold on, I got you, bro. We gotta get the reject in this one.
You got to tie Peloton in with Nike and Lulu as well. Smoked, bruh.
So if Peloton gets around here, reject on the underside, possibly here, or rejection here, that's what I would play. This is definitely the area where I would play like, all right, let me see if it's gonna reject. It shouldn't go higher though, bro. Like that chart looks disgusting. I never knew it would look that bad. Damn, no wonder I haven't played Peloton as a small account.
I know, it caught me by surprise. I was like, man, I feel like I played that shit like a week ago, but nah, it's been a while and it's
Oh yeah, it's been
why,
a
you know.
while. Yeah, it's been a while we played P-Time, bro. It's been a very while. Yeah. Yeah, bro. This is bearish. So we got day two, day three. So might get black crows. It don't look pretty, but they are big body candles, red ones. This is a bearish engulfing on Thursday. Wow, it just continued. And so this is what everybody thought was gonna happen to SPY because they put in that bearish ass candle on fucking Thursday. And this is what everybody was probably thinking on Friday. SPY's gonna do this. Nah, SPY inside Green Day, motherfuckers. Hold that. So I'm bearish though. This is a bear play, bro. Honestly, there's no way they should rip on ER. Like this is straight BS if they rip on ER because what this is telling me for the quarter is they shitting for the quarter. Nothing is happening good for them. Like, like the quarter. What are you gonna tell me about Peloton quarter? Horrible. Like, and then you telling me stuff that I didn't even know. They losing parts. They losing. Come on. Yeah, there's no way they're gonna rip. There's no way.
Off
So
a cliff.
yeah, like we should definitely short this shit for EO.
It's looking bad for Pelote, bro.
It is.
Yo, you're gonna short Peloton, bro. Check Nike and Lulu, bro. Lulu and Nike.
What was saying
Bro, I don't
about
understand, yo, how Nike keeps tanking. I'm stuck in calls, 95s. But
After
hold
a
on.
post earnings, bro, they just tend to fade. Like that continuation on the fade is real, especially if they shit the bed for earnings.
Okay, okay. We could bounce though on Nike. I'm not gonna lie. We got a
I,
little bit of a
I agree.
second leg trying to happen here. It's OD oversold. We know that for a fact. Like that's super oversold. The positive is this: we got a tint chain. So if the tint
It's
change
on a
comes
base.
in, yeah, she agrees with me. If the tint chain changes one more time, we should get a bull, like a strong bull day. Like I'm not gonna say it's gonna reclaim the nine. It could reject on this little supply area, bro, and come back down, like you said, heavy downtrend. But God, bro, come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 freaking red days, bro. Like we counted when this happened, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, and then it started reversing, you know. So you look for shit like that. Um, if you want a sympathy with that, I don't. Damn, it's gonna be hard, bro. I can't compare these two. There, to me, Nike's in a whole different ball game to these losers over here. But I like your thought. You're thinking like sports, athletic wise, whatever, And Peloton has LeBron James as the sponsor. Come on, so they all about sports. So let me look at Lulu for you. You said Lulu, right? He's taking care of the baby. I think he did
yeah.
Lulu. All right. Oh yeah, Lulu getting smoked. But Lulu could put in a morning starter mode, bro.
Yeah, it's off a pivot on the
Yeah,
daily.
yeah,
I
yeah.
wanted to catch y'all. With
Yeah, he is. He's back. Yeah, bro. And I was just making sure you spoke about Lulu. Lulu could do a morning star, bro. No lie, because
so I
this
won't be
doji
surprised
is
if
not
it's
even
not.
low. Go ahead, my
Sorry.
brother. Go back.
No, no, sorry to interrupt you. Go ahead.
No, I just saying because the doji is like right at the freaking opening of this candle. It's not like lower or anything.
Yep.
So it shows that they held that level. So tomorrow's an interesting day for Lulu. It's basically it's gonna like something's gonna happen, either up or down. That's my opinion. If they chop us again, that would be crazy because they're gonna keep us in this doji range. But definitely, I see a morning star potential, especially after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
2 weeks out, bro. 400. I think they're real.
Yeah, I would say that. Just give yourself time, but it looks like it wants some morning star.
That could be the head of the reverse head and shoulders, like right there, bro. So good first floor entry if that you're playing that too. Fire, bro.
Gotcha. Yeah, yeah. I like Lulu upside. I like it.
Thank
Look,
you,
this
man.
is probably the demand that Nami was talking about.
Yup. That's another thing. If you look, I
Uh,
was gonna say if you look all the way back in the October, November area,
Super
yeah,
demand.
super diminished. So let's see if Lulu holds and catches a bid down there. It's too many red days.
Yeah, yeah, fire.
Completely off topic, bro. New York is smoking the middle $50 right now.
Copy.
Fuck, bro.
All right.
357.37 is Lulu's daily pivot. Trying to hold it right there.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
737.
Yep. All right. I got any other ones?
Yeah, I'm on healthcare as well, Cipher. So Cam, check out UNH and Pfizer. Now Pfizer is definitely the abandoned baby setup because it's outside of the bully. UNH is outside the bully too. And this thing, remember, I've been eyeing this thing at 450 and it's been holding 450 over and over and over again. So yeah, so Pfizer looks good, but I really like UNH because on the weekly, this
Double
is
bottom.
bouncing off the 200. This is bouncing off the 200 on the weekly.
Yeah, it's a double bottom clear as day.
Yeah, and those are both abandoned baby setups. So RSI is low on the ground, green
Yeah, this is fire.
candles, nice volume on both of them.
This
Increase.
is more stronger abandoned baby, am I right?
Correct. I
Got
like that one more because it's also if you pull up the weekly, switch that thing to weekly or bouncing right off the 200.
the weekly. What is it? What you do 1 week, 1W? Yeah.
Yeah, W. Yeah. There's that too.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
too.
See what you see, player. Wow.
So I think this is like for me, I think a more risk on play, kind of go a little bit more heavier and try
Mm-hmm.
to get this thing get up to the 21 on our runners.
They got earnings not too far out, my brother, too.
And it's funny you guys are on healthcare, right? Both these tickers, which when I think healthcare, I think Pfizer and UNH pretty much controlling XLV, and Pfizer seems to have always been it, but
Mm-hmm.
Pfizer, it looks like Pfizer, bro. It's too
Yeah.
much fun.
So it was just
Love that second stonk.
maybe,
So
maybe, right?
yeah.
Maybe.
So that's
Yeah, I
probably
like it. I like it.
hopefully get 3 days out of it.
Yeah. Yup. Let me see how this looks. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it's trying to pivot higher here. We got 3 red days. Yeah. Yeah, we could watch it. Let me see what level. Delete this ugly drawing. All right, let me see what level. I'll start watching it around here. What's this? Yeah, 27. Let's do 2710. I don't know what level you got, but I think 2710 is a good level to watch. Then you got the 9 around 2723 area. And if it breaks that, we could definitely go to 27.5 for those two levels. But I like it. I like it. If it holds this, obviously it's making a higher low, so that's good. You want that. You want that higher low build to try to go higher. All right. So health looks good. I got some
Yeah.
hope too.
UNH really directs that XLV a lot. So it's a big weight holding inside that XLV. So as
Fire
you
call out.
yeah, as UNH recovers, you know, BMY and Pfizer and everything else hopefully should start recovering as well.
Mm,
That
mm.
bad news of Medicare payments got, you know, sorted out
Yeah.
last. You can see it. You can see it on the UNH chart, bro, and Pfizer. I think it
Mm-hmm.
sorted itself out.
Yeah, yeah, you're right, bro. You're right. I agree. All right, we got a handful of names, bro. All right.
Your AI too is with this guy Tsugi Trades, who's a pretty clean trader on Instagram.
Okay.
He has something, so he had that same demand level too.
Nice. All right. So I'll add that to one of my high watches for tomorrow. AI.
Yeah.
Man, fire. All right, man. Fire Zoom session, man.
That's
Sorry
all.
again about Thursday. Lost my cool. I'm usually not like that, but every trader has his day, I feel like. So that was my day.
You human, bro.
Yeah, it was tough. It's fine, man.
Yeah, man.
Um,
All right, man. We'll catch y'all definitely tomorrow. And
All
I
right.
think I'm gonna do some futures in about an hour and a half. So I'll post it if y'all want to jump on voice with me.
oh yeah.
All right. I'll let you boot.
Oh, I'm gonna holler at you for sure, bro. Don't worry.
Bet, bet.
All
Most
right,
definitely. All right,
gang, be
y'all.
easy, man.
Thanks for
Of
everything.
Oh
course,
yeah.
my brother. Hope the
Appreciate it.
baby's adapting good, man. I hear in the
Baby,
back.
great, bro. She's just getting kind of woken up when I'm screaming because I'm betting on these basketball games.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I forgot you're sports betting. That's hilarious, yo.
Straight
I
D,
forget that,
bro.
bro.
What a way to remember her when she came into the world. Yo, I started sports betting when you was born. You know
Hell yeah, and the fucking New York just cost me $85. Fuck them.
that? Good luck.
GG guys, I'll catch y'all in a bit.
All right, my brothers. Be safe. I'll hit you in a minute.
You too, man.
All right.